Hello student, welcome to IP practical class. Today I discuss the practical number 5, that is write a program to calculate the area and perimeter of triangle. Initially base equals to float, input enter base of triangle. After that height equals to float, input enter height of triangle. Hypotenuse equals to base double star 2 plus height double star 2 whole double star 0.5. Area equals to half star base star height. Perimeter equals to base plus height plus hypotenuse. Print area is area, print perimeter is perimeter. Then I show the runnable mode of this program. This is the code I already written here, and go to the run module. So enter base of triangle, I give 4. Enter height of triangle, I give 3. Then area is calculated 6.0 and perimeter is 12.0. This is the result. So that's all. Thank you.